Centre has not yet fulfilled their promises, so BJP should come back to Jantar Mandir for a protest.
I believe that the central government's representatives have completely gone back on their promises. The notification that has come out of Bihar and Assam has not been replicated in Bengal. And in any case, the notice came out day before yesterday in Bihar and in Assam also sometime around that time. But till now, the arrested students have not been released. MLA of Paliganj, Comrade Sandeep Saurav, who was leading the protests, he is still under jail 2 days after the notification came out. ISA activists Comrade Dhananjay, Comrade Dipankar, Comrade Sabha, Comrade Divyam, all of them are still behind jails. NSUI activist is still in Beur jail. All of them are still lodged in jail 2 days after the notification came out. We do not understand what the delay is. We do not understand what clear communication was left to be done with the representatives of the central government who assured us that no police action will be taken against protesters and everybody will be released. So far, the government has gone back on it all. We have called for a protest in Bihar on the 30th of July. A similar protest has been called in Kolkata by students. It is going to take place either tomorrow or day after. These protests are aimed specifically at the release of all of those students who are in jail right now. This movement is not complete. This movement is not successful until and unless all of our comrades, all of the protesters who are protesting across the country are released from jail and all charges against them have been taken back.
Neha, do you think resignation was enough for an overhaul of an education system?
No, resignation was of course the first step, and that is what we always said, that the people sitting in power, the people who've been chosen by the people of this country, public representatives must represent the public. If they have been chosen by the vote of the people, it is people's right to demand for their resignation, and all of them must be assured. BJP members of the BJP cabinet ministers must all fear that they will lose favor with people. They must not think that being sycophants of the BJP and the RSS will be enough for them to stay in power. This country is governed by the people, by the will of the people, and if they do not serve the people of this country, no matter what cabinet minister they are, no matter what favor they have with the BJP and the RSS, they will be brought down from their seats. They will all be removed from power.
Neha, do you think that CJP should have continued till they get a...
I will.
क्या कहते हैं मैं को बुलाइए कहाँ बन जा रहा है ये चाहिए क्या बेल्ट वाले भी जो परमानेंट लगा पहले तो वाइट दिखाऊँ हेलो, आगे से हट जा। क्या लेना है?
जैसा कि आपको मालूम है कि सरकार